Honorable Vice President, sir, respected dais, heads, teachers, and my dear students of our beloved motherland, a very good morning to everyone. Today, we gather to pay our heartfelt tribute to the brave sons of Mother India who etched an unforgettable chapter in our nation's history through their unmatched courage, sacrifice, and patriotism. We are here to commemorate Kargil Vijay Divas, a day that reminds us that the freedom we enjoy today has been protected by countless brave soldiers who stood fearlessly on the ice peaks of Kargil. In 1999, when enemy forces infiltrated our borders and occupied strategic mountain peaks, our soldiers faced one of the most challenging battles in modern warfare. At altitudes of over 18,000 feet, in freezing temperatures and under relentless enemy fire, our brave soldiers climbed impossible heights with one mission in their hearts: the nation comes first. Many of them were barely older than our senior students. They had dreams, families, and aspirations, yet they willingly placed the nation above themselves. Dear students, their bravery was not the absence of fear, but the triumph of duty over fear. Heroes like Captain Vikram Batra, who inspired the nation with the words, "Ye dil mange more," Lieutenant Manoj Kumar Pandey, Grenadier Yogendra Singh Yadav, Rifleman Sanjay Kumar, and many other courageous warriors became immortal through their sacrifices. Because of them, the tricolor once again flew proudly over every captured peak. Dear students, Kargil Vijay Divas is not merely about remembering a victory in war, it is about learning values that can shape our own lives. A soldier teaches us to remain disciplined even when no one is watching, to stay determined even when the journey is difficult, to work as a team, to never give up no matter how impossible the challenge appears, and to always place duty before comfort. You may not wear the uniform tomorrow, dear students, but each one of you can serve the nation. A student serves the nation by studying sincerely. A teacher serves the nation by shaping responsible citizen. A doctor heals the nation. A scientist strengthens the nation. An entrepreneur creates opportunities. An honest citizen builds a stronger India. Remember, patriotism is not shown only on the battlefield. It is reflected in our honesty, discipline, respect for others, care for public property, concern for the environment, and commitment to excellence in everything what we do. Dear teachers, the future soldiers, scientists, judges, engineers, artists, IAS officers, and leaders of our country are sitting in your classrooms today. Every lesson you teach, every value you instill, and every word of encouragement you offer contributes to building a stronger India. Your responsibility is no less significant than that of those who guard our borders. As educators, let us continue nurturing not only intelligent minds, but also courageous hearts, compassionate souls, and responsible citizens. Dear students, whenever you face difficulties in your studies or in life, remember the soldiers of Kargil. If they could climb snow-covered mountains, carrying heavy equipment while bullets rained around them, surely we can overcome the challenges before us with determination and perseverance. Let us promise today to respect our armed forces, to honor our national flag, to uphold the values of integrity and discipline, to work hard and become citizens our nation can be proud of, to contribute positively towards building a developed, united, and prosperous India. As we bow our heads in gratitude to our brave martyrs, let us remember that their greatest tribute is not just our applause, but our actions. Let us live lives worthy of the sacrifices they made. I conclude with these inspiring words. The strength of a nation is not measured only by the power of its army, but by the character of its citizens. Let us build that character every single day. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Thank you.
Kargil are here with all of us for sharing a value that guided them during the war and continues to inspire every Indian.
I am Captain Vikram Batra. When my team captured point 5140, I proudly said, Ye dil mange more. Courage is not the absence of fear. It is moving forward despite it. Be courageous in every challenge you face.
I am Lieutenant Manoj Kumar Pandey. Even after being wounded, I continued leading my men until the mission was complete. Determination means never giving up until victory is achieved.
I am Grenadier Yogendra Singh Yadav. I was hit by enemy bullets while climbing a steep cliff. Yet I continued the mission. Perseverance means rising every time whenever life knocks you down.
I am Rifleman Sanjay Kumar. I charge enemy bunkers to protect my fellow soldiers. Put the needs of others before your own. That is true selflessness.
I am Captain Anuj Nair. My duty to the nation was greater than my personal safety. Always perform your duty with honesty and dedication.
Adhikari. A true leader walks in front during difficult times, lead by example and inspire their others through their actions.
I am Captain N. Kenguruse. Climb icy rocks barefoot to reach the enemy position. Great achievements often demand sacrifice.
I am Major Vivek Gupta. Love for India gave me strength in the toughest moments. Let patriotism guide your actions every day.
I am Captain Hanifuddin. I remain loyal to my mission, my comrades and my nation. Loyalty builds trust and unity.
I am Major Sonam Wangchuk. Protecting our borders is a great responsibility, and every citizen also has the responsibility towards the nation.
Captain Vijay Thapar. I remain true to my duty and my values until my last breath. Integrity means doing what is right even when no one is watching. Let honesty be your greatest strength.
I am Brigadier MPS Bajwa. Every successful mission begins with discipline. Discipline transforms ordinary people into extraordinary soldiers. Make discipline the foundation of your life.
I am a General V.P. Malik. Our victory in Kargil was possible because every soldier, officer, airman and citizen stood united. Unity is India's greatest strength. Together we can overcome every challenge.
I am Captain Saurabh Kalia. Respect your nation, your parents, your teachers, and every person who serves our country. Respect is the first step towards building a better India.
I am Squadron Leader Ajay Ahuja. Service to the nation is the highest honor. When we serve others with sincerity, we strengthen our country.
अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सा दर्द से महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
Chief Marshal A. White Epnes. Even in the darkest moments of war, we never lost hope. Hope gives us the strength to continue when the path seems impossible.
I am Major Padmapani Acharya. A soldier is brave in the battle and compassionate in heart. True strength is shown through kindness, humanity, and care for others.
I am Lieutenant Balwant Singh. Wearing the Indian Army uniform filled me with pride. Be proud of your nation, your culture, and your responsibility as an Indian citizen.
We are the brave soldiers who lay down our lives for India. We ask for no reward, only that we remember our sacrifice and serve the nation with gratitude in our hearts.
We fought the war so that our fellow Indians would live in peace. Peace is precious. Let us protect it through unity, respect, and understanding.
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है
सरजमीन हिंदुस्तान तेरे उन जानिसारों जांबाजों शहीदों और मुहाफिजों को सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है जिन्होंने अपनी बहादुरी की कलम से फतह की एक और बेमिसाल तारीख लिख दी गवाह है आज भी कारगिल की वो बुलंद चोटियां जिनको तुमने अपने लहू से सींच कर तिरंगे की आग बाण और शान को रोशन कर दिया कारगिल का ये युद्ध भले ही उच्च अधिकारियों की विस्तृत प्लानिंग और रणनीति के अनुसार लड़ा गया लेकिन इस से जीतने वाले औसत 20 से 25 साल की उम्र के वो नौजवान सैनिक ही थे जो शेरों की तरह दुश्मन पे टूट पड़े। ये वो बेटे थे जिन्हें अपनी माँ के आत्मसम्मान की चिंता अपनी जान से कहीं ज्यादा थी। पूरे विश्व पटल पर भारतीय विजय का डंका बजने लगा। आज हमारा भारत विश्व में एक नई शक्ति बन के उभर रहा है। कारगिल की ये विजय उस नए भारत की नींव का पत्थर है, क्योंकि इस युद्ध में बही खून की हर एक बूंद ने हमारे आज को सींचा है। वही खून प्रेरणा देता है, बढ़ो आगे, मत रुको, पूरी शक्ति सहित निर्भयता से हर असंभव पहाड़ इसी तरह जीतो। सीने में जो भारत भूमि के प्रति प्रेम है वो पूर्ण प्रज्वलित हो। जब संपूर्ण विश्व के शीर्ष शिखर पर भारत का ध्वज फहराएगा, तब मेरे देशवासियों हर दिन विजय दिवस कहलाएगा।